Today is Tuesday, August 26th. This is the 1975 Cadillac wiper switch control module. This is from my friend Kelly in Oklahoma, whereby I'm doing a full restoration of the unit. These wiper switches were used in 75 through 78. This is an example of some of the core units, how they arrive. So in this particular instance, I've completely disassembled the unit. I've gone ahead and cleaned the primary board and have replaced the resistance strip for the delay, which had arced out and caused the carrier to slightly melt, so I had to replace the carrier for the contact as well as the resistance strip inside the unit. So obviously there was some arcing that was occurring. So this unit was completely disassembled as depicted in this video. This is video number 1 out of a 2-video set. It includes polishing the chrome bezel, polishing the transparent lens cover, absolutely beautiful, re-blacking the face of the internal surround, and going ahead and detailing the silver argent trim around the perimeter of the 2 slots. So re-blacking the face and reapplying the silver argent inlay in order to give my friend Kelly a show quality result. So this is video number 1 out of a 2-video set. The second video will show the unit under power as a functional validation test, and I'll be testing the resistance for the resistance strip using my Fluke ohm meter. Okay, so this is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Tuesday, August 26th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.